Hello, my dear students. You are welcome to Walnook School of Mathematics. Sudip sir, .math here, discussing about equational problem, that is factor theorem or quadratic roots, etc. Our problem is if x square plus px plus 1 is a factor of ax cube plus bx plus c. Then some conditions are given, that is a square plus c square equal to minus ab, b a square minus c square equal to minus ab. Okay. C a square minus c square equal to ab. A square minus c square equal to ab. D none of this. So we have to find what will be the actual condition. Okay. Now it is clear, this is quadratic. X square plus px plus 1 is a quadratic, and this is cubic equation. So if we divide this by this, we will get like ax cube by x square means ax, and we must have ax plus k is another linear factor. That is, if we multiply x square plus px plus 1 with this linear factor ax plus k, then we will get ax cube plus bx plus c, because this is a cubic equation. So for this cubic equation, if we multiply ax plus a constant, any constant, ax plus a constant, then we may get this. We have to find this constant, because this is ax plus into x square, ax cube. That's why we required this linear factor to multiply this to get this. Since this is a factor, that is, this is divisible by this, so after dividing this we may get a linear factor. Since this is power 3 and 2, and this must be linear factor. See, ax cube by x square, that is ax. So we must get a linear factor like ax plus k. So we have to find this k. So it is clear, this into this equal to this. Now the identity is like this: ax cube, this part, plus bx plus c equal to, this is x square plus px plus 1 into this ax plus k. This is a factor, and this will be the another factor, fully divisible, no remainder. That's why it must be like this. Now we will compare this coefficient of powers x square, x cube, etc. We will compare to to get the relation and k. Okay. Now therefore ax cube plus bx plus c equal to, multiply this. This is ax cube 2apx square plus ax plus kx square kpx plus k. Now this is ax cube. Now take common 2ap plus k x square plus this kp plus a x plus k. So this is the form. This is the form of ax cube bx square cx d. That's why we can compare this. We can compare this. Ax cube is same. So another coefficients. This part does not have x square term. So this value will be 0. That is apx only. Multiplying this ax cube, that is apx, not 2. apx square. So apx. Okay. Now this part will be 0. ap plus k x square, and this is kp plus a. This will be this and k will be c. Okay. So compare this. You will get ap plus k equal to 0, because this does not have any x square term. This does not have any x square term. That's why ap plus k equal to 0 and kp plus a equal to b and k equal to c. Clear? K equal to c. This is kp plus a equal to b and ap plus k equal to this. K equal to c. Now put this value k equal to c. That is ap plus c equal to 0. ap plus c equal to 0. Okay. ap plus c equal to 0. And also this is k equal to c. cp plus a equal to b. cp plus a equal to b. Now from this we can get p equal to minus c by a. From this we can get p equal to minus c by a, because we require the condition without p. Without p. See, these conditions are without p. That's why we will replace this p here. We will replace this p here. Now it is cp. cp means minus c by a plus a equal to b. Now from this minus c square by a plus a equal to b. Now take LCM a and multiply this. So c square plus a square equal to ab. That is very clear. A square minus c square equal to ab. So this is the option. A square minus c square equal to ab. C is the correct option. A square minus c square equal to ab. We take k equal to c. Now putting k equal to c, this is p equal to minus c by a minus c by a, again put this to this, c equal to the value of p is minus c by a, that's why we simplify it and get a square minus c square equal to l. So c is the correct option. Okay, hope you understood well. Thank you.